guys, you are watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, today we are shooting a new video. I hope you have read the caption already. So this whole video is all about the new changes in Germany in 2024. Yes guys, if you are planning to go to Germany, or you are in Germany, or you are thinking that in 2024 we should go to Germany, then it's must that you should be aware what are the changes, what are the rules and regulations in Germany for this particular year. So I hope you are ready, I hope you are excited. Watch this video till end, and let me clear you one thing: if you are new on my channel, then please do subscribe right now. If you are looking to learn German language, then German Gyan is a one-stop solution to learn German language from A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, all the levels. If you are looking only for the teacher training program or exam preparations, or just for the interview preparation or any module preparation, any brush up, then German Gyan is one-stop solution. So make sure to enroll with German Gyan. WhatsApp number you can see here. If you want to learn German language, then you can connect with me. Now, without wasting time, let's get started with the new changes in 2024 in Germany. So guys, the first new change which Germany has come up is basically, if you are living in Germany, like earlier it was 8 years, but if you are living in Germany since last 5 years, the 5 years has been completed, then now you can get the German citizenship in only 5 years. Earlier it was 8 years, but right now in 5 years you can get that citizenship. The second update within this criteria only, that if the newborn kid has born in Germany and any of one of the parent, like mother or the father, is living, anyone also is living in Germany since last 5 years, then the child will be getting the citizenship of Germany, which is, I think so, absolutely a great news. And the third news which comes under this law only, basically guys, now you can get the German citizenship with dual citizenship, which means that if you are having your native citizenship already, then Germany allow you to get the citizenship of Germany also. Now you need not to like let away the earlier native place citizenship to get the another country citizenship, but India do not allow for this particular rule till now. Maybe further they will be discussing or they will be concluding it, but right now India do not allow for dual citizenship. Basically the next change which have come up is the VAT has been increased to 19%. Earlier it was only 7%. VAT is basically applied to all the restaurants and all the cafes, but only for the food, not for the drinks. Like, this is a big update. So if you are going for the lunch or dinner or in any cafe, make sure you have to give the VAT of 19%. So guys, the next update which has come up in Germany is that the minimum wages per hour has been increased. Earlier it was 12 euros, but right now it is 12.41 euros. And like we are able to listen in the market that maybe in January 2025 they may raise this minimum wages per hour to 12.82 euros. So I hope you are so much excited because it's a very great news. So guys, the next update is all about the basic allowance. In 2023 the basic allowance was 10,908 euros. So basically if you exceed this much amount, then you need to pay the tax to Germany, like to the Germany government. But now in 2024 they have add on 696 euros. So now if you exceed 11,604 euros, all the numbers you will be able to see on the screen. If by chance I mispronounces, then you can see clearly on your screen and the description also. So if you exceed this much amount now in 2024, then you have to pay the taxes to the Germany. Next update is, guys, in Germany basically it was very much clear that everybody normally takes the public health insurance, but in case if you are looking forward to take private health insurance in Germany, then earlier it was 66,000 euros. If you earn this much, then only you can apply for the private health insurance, but now that has been increased to 69,300 euros. So if you earn this much, then only you can apply for the private health insurance. So please make sure that if you earn this much, then only you can apply, otherwise go for the public health insurance. So guys, the next update is that in Germany, as you must be aware that in Germany all the parents normally gets the parental allowance, which is also called as Elterngeld. But for that we are having 3 eligibility, and you have to tick all the 3 eligibilities. So the first is if you are having the German citizenship or German resident permit, then only you will be getting the parental allowance from the government. Second, in a week you should not work more than 32 hours. And if I talk about the third and the last one, so guys, the third eligibility, which is that if you are combined, you will be having the income, the total income 300,000 euros. But this amount was for 2023. Now in 2024, which will be applicable from 1st April. So from 1st April, they have basically reduced this amount to 200,000 euros, and they are planning, or they must be doing it, I'm not sure, because it's not like they have not given the proper statement, but in April 2025 they may increase this to 175,000 euros. So if you allow, if you are having all the 3 checklists in you, then only you will be getting the parental allowance from the German government. So guys, the next rule is that earlier basically German government gives the privilege to the new parents for the 14 months of the leave, both they can do that. But now the kids, the babies who are born, who are going to born from April 2024, for their parents, basically the rule has been changed. So now they can only take leave together for 1 month. After 1 month, another parent has to go to the office, and this is only exceptional. There will be only one exceptional situation, that if you are having multiple babies or you are having a premature baby, then you can take a permission from your offices and you can take the leave. Otherwise the rule will be only the same, that you can only take leave for 1 month together, and further one parent has to go to the office. The new change which has come up in Germany is all about the child maintenance. So basically German government, the parents who have already divorced or separated, basically the parents who have separated or may get divorced, so basically German government gives them the child maintenance amount. So they have just increased that amount from newborn to still 6 years, they will be getting 480 euros. For further from 6 years to 13 years or the 12 years kids, they will be getting 511 euros, and from 13 years to 18 years they will be getting 645 euros, and that is all about per month. So yeah, this you should be aware if you know someone who has get divorced or the separated in Germany, so you can give the information to them. Income threshold has been increased as per the tax-free income limit. So earlier it was 520 euros, but now it has been 538 euros per month. So if you earn this much, then you need not to pay the tax, which is a very good thing. And if you are still confused what are mini jobs, so mini jobs are something which we do the part-time jobs or small jobs, small work to earn the amount in Germany to enjoy the life there. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have learned a lot of things. I hope you will be sharing this video to all the needful friends, family, whosoever is in Germany and want to know about it. It's a very important thing, everybody should know about it. Please do share, and if you want to learn German, then do follow German Gyan. If you want to know more information about Germany, if you want to know about something, then you can comment down also. So stay tuned for the next upcoming videos, and till then keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care, cheers.